What we're going to look at next is some of the outputs from Steam Design Pro and how we can use those in our everyday work. Here you can see we have a simple Steam system created. This was used by answering questions using the Steam Design Wizard. I'm going to just now drag a box across this project, right click with my mouse, do a copy, and come down here, open up Word, and then just simply paste it right into that documentation. Now I can come in and type information, so you can see how you can use this to put into Word for proposals and reports. Now it also goes into PowerPoint, Excel, Visio, where you can do reports and proposals in that format as well. The next thing we need to look at would be the selection. Okay, see this pink shading below, for instance, the traps and the deaerators and the boilers. If a component has that pink shading, that means you have the ability to select that product. So if I come up here to the thumbs up button that says select equipment, I can click on that and come in, and if the pink shading went away, that means it actually made a selection of that product. So to view that selection, I can just click on that component and go in under selection and look at what it selected. Or I can come up here to the file, coordination file options, and let's create a bill of materials and an equipment schedule. Okay, and you can do these in different format. For instance, that equipment schedule can be created in AutoCAD, in Excel, or both. Okay, we'll do it in Excel. Hit OK. Now I just need to save this project. Now I can come in and do a file, open, and look at that equipment schedule. So whatever was on my project, there's the boilers. Let's go move over to the steam traps. Spirax Sarco, what kind they are, construction, flow rate, pressure drop, everything about it. Here's the PRVs as well. So whatever was in the design is going to appear in the equipment schedules. Next of all, let's go in and look at the bill of materials. File, open, coordination file, bill of materials. Here it's going to list what the manufacturer is of equipment over here, quantities over here, and then within the software you can go in and put labor rates and equipment costs on all the components. In other words, let me click on a trap and go in. Every component is similar in nature. You can see down here as far as coordination and cost. So here is where we put costs in if we're going to do that bill of materials. So those are two outputs, what we get from the software. The other thing, I can just do a copy and paste and put this in AutoCAD as well. So I have that in that format to work with. These are two of the schedules which we get from Steam Design Pro and how we can use those as well as the schematic to do our everyday work. Thank you.